Once you've finished your extrusion and made the 5 connecting parts, we'll now go and tidy up the sketch. To do this, probably go down and untick these work planes. You don't need to see these within the drawing. They're only there for you referencing and sketching the shapes. You may also want to go and make the sketches invisible. Again, you no longer need them. And it just neatens up your work. What we'll do now is we'll push the pieces together. To do that, we want to double click on extrusion 1 and change this distance from 40 to 25. Now you'll see the edges have all come together, and just to finish off, we will give it a fillet along the top edges. So fillet, and just on those top edges, just round the edges over. 2 millimeters. You could try 3, perhaps 4, or even 5. If you put too big a size, there will be an error message comes up, so it will not build those. So maybe maximum 10 millimeters. Of course, you can change the color or material as you wish. Next thing will be to add your connecting pipes before you make your icosahedron shape form.